Hello everybody, this video has been created aimed to just demonstrate you guys how to download the data from my course, and also the first video about how to do the data analysis on the categorical or the qualitative data. Now the thing will be like we try to generate from the data, the categorical data, into the frequency and the relative frequency table. Also, we will introduce how to just generate for the pie chart and the bar chart from the qualitative data. First of all, you have to go to C's, and then I will just demonstrate later. So first of all, you will have to go up into my Canvas and download the data. As I already mentioned, for each module we have the module data, and this one we just have to download for the chapter 2 data. You open it on and then click on download. Okay, now it should be available, and the data should be look like something like this. Okay, and I open it on. For this section, the qualitative data, we will use the substring for the example of demonstration. I open it on. Hope that you guys can already see it clearly. So this will be the purchase branch of the substring. So maybe I would just do some assumption for you to easily understand. So maybe example, this will be the substring, the data about substring brand sold in a store. Okay, so just think about if you are the shop owner and what you exactly want to do with this one. The data tell you like what will be the brands is most likely to be sold in a day, right? So and which will be just didn't perform very well. So in that way, you can just determine about the strategy of the future inventory of the store. For example, if you recognize that the Coca-Cola is the best seller, so next time just vend me a lot of Coca-Cola, right, in the inventory. But with the maybe Diet Coke, nobody really care about that. So okay, fine. But next time, just really don't put it a lot. That would be the point. So we understand about that way. We try to just generate about like what kinds of brand could be sell best by counting, right? A Coca-Cola, how many times the people order at that? A Diet Coke, the same thing. Pepsi, the same thing. So first of all, you have to see the dimension of the data, data dimension, right? So we want to see how many observations we have. So how many we have? If you want to see how many observations we have to just maybe score it down. But this is very kind of disadvantage when the data is just a lot and you just cannot score it down all the time, like up to 1,000 or even 10,000 or million of the observation, right? We don't have time for that. So the thing we have to do is just use for the combination of the key control and plus for maybe shift. Okay, I will show you some highlight up the tip to do it everything clear, and then with the bottom down the arrow. Okay, now the thing will be I will do it like this, control shift and then down. Oh, I have up to 51 round. Is that 51 observation? No, because of the first one is just the variable name, it's not the data. Okay, so I can say like this include 50 observation, and also we have just one single variable here, right? We have just one single column of the brand purchase, so one variable. Okay, and now the time for us to just go directly into the descriptive statistic. For this one, I want to generate for the frequency. And of course relative frequency table. And here answer at the same time I want to see the graph, right, with the pie chart and the bar chart. I want to generate the bar chart first and then the pie chart. Okay, you do it, I have to like select the data first. So I can put like scroll down, of course, but I hate that. I do the control and A, like control all to all selected. That's the same thing. Or you can do it like with the beginning of the beginning route, and then you use the control shift and arrow down combination to just select it all. You can do whatever you want, just feel comfortable with that. Okay, and then now I will use the insert button. I generate it for the pivot chart, or I can sometimes, if I'm very lazy, do the recommend chart, so they will be just basically create everything for me. Okay, but if I say like I put like okay, everything will be put into a new sheet. That should be a function of the pivot table. So I don't really want to do it because I wanted to put everything in the same pace. So how can I do it? Just very simple, man. Just go ahead and insert and do it manually by yourself. You have to totally understand about what you're doing, right? And click on the pivot chart and pivot table option. The data has been selected, so it's good with that. I want to just put everything into the not the new worksheet but the existing worksheet, and location I want to put it here. Okay, and then I click OK. Right, now I have the graph. Okay, I have the pivot table, but everything is just still clear, and that will be my task to just put everything into the right order. I just point the brand purchase into the assist or category kind of area. Okay, you see this will be the different kinds of the brands. Okay, and then I also point it one more time into the value square, the value triangle. So you see this will be cow. You can see clearly that here the value field setting will be put into cow. That means they count for how many Coca-Cola that's appear in the data. Also Diet Coke and Dr. Pepper, something like that. And you can change it into sum or average. But however, because our data is a qualitative or the categorical data, so that's better to just use cow. Okay. This will be sum, average, mass, mean. This will be for the qualitative data verify. We'll talk about that later. Okay, and now I say okay. And yeah, okay, everything is here. For example, I have the graph here, and I also have the frequency table. However, the thing would be like I not really like it when it's not so a little bit clumsy and not so put in the right order. For example, Coca-Cola. This look like this would be the winner here, right? Yeah, but Pepsi could be the second one, and they not put in the right order. Actually, everything need be put in the sort by the alphabet of the Coca-Cola diet, like C D D P S, right? It not make sense with me. I want everything to be in the right order. Like the first one is what, the second one is what, and the last one is what. Okay. The thing will be like how I can do it. Just very simple, man. We just manually change Pepsi, right, the second guy into the second order and put the other thing down. How can do it? Like just right click on Pepsi, and you can have the move option. I will move the Pepsi up, right? See what happened. Now it's in the third order, and also it's updated in the pivot chart. That's magical, but you will get just familiar with that. But I'm not satisfied because they should be in the second order. I do it one more time. Okay, move and up. Okay, and now Pepsi that should be in the second order, and everything now it look really so cool. I can put some kinds of first like look like people come to the store tend to buy more Coca-Cola. Okay, Coke maybe not that, and Pepsi. And you can just say like okay, Dr. Pepper, sorry, and Sprite. It look like people not really like them, so people bought Dr. Pepper, sorry, and Sprite list. Okay. Yeah, that's what the people want to do. But however, I will show you how to just make everything look better. So now with the graph, I will change for the title, right? This will be the frequency of the string brand. So okay, all right, yep, that should be the point. And I want to just make it like more fantastic, so I can put it to design, and I want whatever I want, like the design that I really love. This one may be good, this one will look better, so it's okay. I deal with this one. And I want to put the asset title. Why the people love to put the asset title, so make everything clearer. Okay. For example, this will be the brand, and this could be the frequency. Okay, yeah, I got it here. And maybe I want to put into the data label. Okay, data label. So maybe call out. It look like much better now, and it's ready to just submit on. And another thing would be like I have the frequency table here, but not the relative frequency table. So how can I do it? I will try to copy the data of the order into the new one. Some people will ask me why I don't just put it right up here and just calculate for the relative frequency table. This is the pivot table, and normally when you try to just do some data manipulation on that, it's a little bit hard and make everything not so clear. So the better option will be just copy into the new area, and then you generate and do whatever you want. Okay, the brand purchase, right? Of course. And this could be the frequency, and this could be the relative frequency. Okay, yep. And if I want to do the relative frequency, that would be mean the frequency um, of the item, and then divide for the total number of observation. Here it's going to be 50, but that means I should just try to create a total row. Okay, and I put in, like, for example, sum of this one. Of course that should be 50, or I can do it another way, a small trick. You put like and like alternative and equal the same. Okay, and now I do for the relative frequencies. I would put in like 19 divide for 50, right? But I have to still fit the 50 because I don't want to make any kind of calculation error later when I copy for the formula of the calculation. Okay, and this be 38% or 0.38, and I score it down just to copy for the equation. I want to put it into the percentage, so it's better for me to understand. Okay, and everything look ready now. Oh wow, what I gonna do? Oh, I would just put them into the border. I wanna just have the thick outline border so it look better. And now I wanna put everything into the center, so look more professional. Bow it this one because they'll be the beginning and the variable name. And what else? Okay, I do it, make it like more professional. Yep, para, we have it here. But this will be just one more thing we have to do. We need to generate for the pie chart, right? I want to have the pie chart here. How can I generate it? Just very simple, man. Very simple. I want to say it. Just select for the relative frequencies and also the brand purchase to know like what relative frequency belong to which one item, right? Second one, I just like hold for the control button on my keyboard, and I score down for the other one. So now I can select both of them. Control. I go to insert, and I can put it further, or maybe the pie chart right over here, or I can just do it with recommend chart, so that saves me more time. Okay, now I do have it. Relative frequencies. Okay, up substring brand. So okay, would be okay, look better. And yeah, I can put the data label, whatever, or I can change for the style. That's up to you, man. Yeah, it look better now. So now I have the legend, I have everything here ready for just submit for your boss. Thank you a lot for our very first video of instruction on how to do everything on Excel. Thank you a lot. See ya.